get a mixing bowl and get 4 Weet-bix. Look like this. Just crush them. If you want them in fine pieces, just put them in a food processor or whatever, but doing it like this I just think adds to the texture. Then add 1/4 cup of raw sugar. And then 2 more tablespoons. So about 1/3 cup in all. Then add 1.5 tablespoons of raw cacao powder. If you don't have that, you can just use cocoa powder. Add 1.5 cups of self-raising flour. Then melt 190 grams of butter. Now this is my own homemade butter. Very easy to make. I've got a video if you want to check it out. Now just mix this through. Now just roll them into balls and then flatten them down, and then put a little piece of dark chocolate. If you don't want to use dark, you can use milk chocolate. Dark chocolate is just better for you. And just put it straight in the middle and preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius, which is 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And this should only take about 15 minutes.